This pasta making set is one of the best attachments for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Here's why. There are 3 pieces in the set. Number 1 is the pasta roller, which will allow you to create these 6-inch wide sheets of pasta. You can use them as they are, or you can use them to create other forms of pasta. Attachment number 2 is this spaghetti cutter, which will allow you to cut those sheets into delicious spaghetti. And attachment number 3 is the fettuccine cutter, which will allow you to cut your pasta sheets into hearty fettuccine noodles. Using the KitchenAid pasta attachments is so much faster than other ways of making fresh pasta. Many of those other solutions are completely manually operated, which means that you have to crank the machine with one hand and then use the other one to feed it. With these KitchenAid solutions, you can use both your hands and the machine will do all the work for you. The KitchenAid pasta attachments are made in Italy. They're stainless steel and they're super sturdy and high quality. At the same time, they're super easy to clean. Just leave them drying for about an hour and then use the included brush to clean the attachments. So if you want to make delicious homemade pasta with the help of your KitchenAid stand mixer, definitely check out these pasta attachments. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below the video. Another item that will feel right at home in a beautiful kitchen is this coffee grinder from Eureka. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full review. Thank you for watching 2-minute reviews.